Tere! So today I'm making a nail header, and to make the nail header at first I have to make a square punch. So this is what I'm doing here, just going slowly, trying to make it nice and square, forging it really close to shape as I can. It's such a small diameter punch, so I'm making it short so I can hold it with my tongs, because if I keep it long and use my finger, it's going to be kind of hot for my hand. And I got the forge really close to what I need, so I'm just sanding it a little bit to make it smooth, and that's it. And this is what it looks like. Now onto the power hammer. Just flattening a piece of steel for the nail header. I have to cool the punch pretty much after every hit, otherwise it's going to get hot and get stuck and deform inside the nail header, and I'm going to have a really bad time. So just going slowly, not even hitting too hard, otherwise I'm gonna mess the punch up. And it took a couple of hits and then couple of heats, and now I turned it around and got the slug out of there. Testing with a nail, seems alright, and this should work just fine. Just going to round the face of it up a little bit, so when I hit the nail head I won't hit the nail header. Okay, and the nail header is good. Now I'm going to make a candy cane looking tool to make the handle for the nail header. So this is just a small bonus tool for this project. I think this is a great way to make handles. Only difficult part about this is that the oil wants to get stuck on the candy cane. So I got the coil all coiled up, and getting it off is a bit of a hassle. Just trying to hit it this way and that way, and it's not really moving a lot. But once I tried it this way, it started finally moving just holding the rod with my belly button. It was kind of sketchy, but it pops out now. And I bent the end 90 degrees so I can hang it up by a nail or something. And a little bit of fussing around just to straighten everything up, get it looking a bit nicer. It's not really a difficult handle design to make. It doesn't take too long either. This is what it looks like when I welded it on with a little stick welder. Forgot to film the welding, but I think it's quite self-explanatory. So let's forge a nail. Forging nails is a pretty fun activity. And the reason I'm making this nail header, or the reason that I made it, is that in a few days I'm going to have like 10 people coming around to come and forge some nails. So I have 2 anvils, so why not have 2 headers as well. This anvil I just cleaned up and welded the broken edges back together, and it's quite a nice small anvil. I really like it because the face is hardened. It's like a hardened plate, so forging on the smaller anvil is just as nice as forging on the bigger anvil, or maybe even a little bit better, because the big one is a softer anvil. And it works. I have a finished nail. It got stuck a little bit, but dunking it in water, few taps on the anvil, it pops right out. So here's the finished product. I have the nail header. This coil handle was pretty nice to make nails with, because I've had some other handles, one that was made from spring steel, and on that one the vibration from hitting was just too much for the hand. So this nail is nice, long, straight, straighter than the electrician at my work, and some small ones as well. So Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far on this long ass video. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.